Hi, praise the Lord. My name is Banu Travinder. I am working as a church pastor. After my baptism, my name is Rufus. I am from India, Telangana state, in Sirsila district. I have a great testimony. My birth is 1975, and after completed my graduation and post graduation, MA English and Kuchipudi. I am a Kuchipudi famous dancer. So many member girls I given Kuchipudi classes. So many member learn. My testimony is after 2005 I got married. I have two children. Then first children have 2005 marriage and 2006, and so many problems came in my life. So many big financial problem. I have no own house. I have no agriculture land. I have nothing anything. Then I am working a private teacher in private school because I am a B.Ed holder and MA English post graduation is completed. So I am working in a private school. Main so many problems has came in my life. Main biggest problem is financial problem. So and I uh, then I am living in my rental house. Then beside one pastor have living. His name Sukumar. So one day I told to him, brother, I have so many problems are there. Then what I do? So Sukumar brother told me, you come to Jesus, you believe Jesus, then after your totally problems are solved. Then I told to him, okay, it's definitely solve your Jesus, my whole and soul problems. Yes, he told definitely Jesus is clear your problems. Then I don't know church meant before I am a Hindu religion. I worship the so many goddess, and I don't know church. I did not went first. Then one day I went church, Sukumar church in my town. Just one day. Then after he told me, you take baptism. I told to him, brother, I don't know anything in Bible. Why I take baptism? Just to 1 week or 1 week, only one time I came to your church. I did not read Bible. So he told me, no problem. You can believe, no? That's all. Enough. He told. Then he taken go. I have near a pond have. Then he gave me in baptism. Then I taken baptism. Then I stopped. He told me to definitely come church, attend church. So I did not go church because in my heart I am not so many goddess have. Why I believe the one God, 33 crores God have. So I am not interested. Then after so many problems came again, mainly the family problems also came. Then what we do? And in I and my wife fighting. Then what I do? Because some financial problem is heavy problems in my life. So what I do? Then after I decided I taken in Ayappa Mala. I met a Swamiji in Ayappa temple in Sirsila. I went to Ayappa temple and I met one Swamiji. I told my problem. He told me, you immediately and you Ayappa Swami is change your total life. Just to you wear mala. Mala means the black dresses. Definitely after 60 days you see total solve your problem. Then I am also believe. Okay. And pastor told so many days. Then he told only 60 days after completed your problem solved. Then I wearing the dress, black dresses. After baptism, I told to you, I told to all members. After baptism, I wearing the Ayappa Mala. Then I worship the Ayappa Mala and 60 days. After I went to Kerala, and that one travel start to Sirsila to the Sirsila to that Kerala Ayappa temple, and travel started. I am only single. Anybody not have my friends. Only all Swamijis are there. I am worship here Vemalwada too, and some states Tamil Nadu completed. Then that to all temple are we are worship and went to last because I will tell you some last I reached the where I Kerala. So Swamiji told me in two way are there. One is the Pedapadam, another is the Chinapadam. Chinapadam means 25 km walking, and Pedapadam means 90 kilometers walking. Choose and select your walking, which one you choose then. So I chosen I choose the brother 90 kilometers I want. Then he told me, okay, welcome. Then after I started to Kerala at Pedapadam, thickest forest in the India. I think big trees are there. Total dark forest. So many tigers, lions are there, and elephant also there in that forest area. So some members only walking did 90 kilometers, and big means so many members only walkable 25 kilometers are walking. Only some members are walking 90 kilometers. Then I started 90 kilometers. I have in up Irumudi, in Telugu Irumudi, some rice, coconut, some money also in Irumudi. Means one time we are the one only Guru Swami is the keep in our head. Anybody did not keep, only Guru Swami. So my Irumudi we are put on my head, and then we are tight, so wearing keep here. Then I started Kerala in the forest area. My walkable dress and two Guru Swamis came to with my two Guru Swamis all have. So early morning we are started that walking 11 o'clock, and it's a small pond have, means some waters are going in the forest. So I came toilet. I told to Guru Swami, please take my irumudi, and just I went to toilet and I clean my hands and legs because here water have. So Guru Swami told, okay, welcome. You go to toilet, and he take in my irumudi. After just to toilet, how many minutes? Only 1 or 2 minutes. I finished my toilet and I clean my mouth and hands and legs. Then after see the two members Guru Swamis are not there have, and not have there. So where they gone? Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami. I loudly, I am crying. I calling loudly, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, where are you? Where are you? This like only. Then Satyanarayana Guru Swami is not there. Just 2 minutes. I came back. Where is they? And I think they are going up. They are going. They are moving. Then I run. Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami. That 3 kilometers are I am running, but they are not there. So I think. What I think? So these are the any one or two are going in that area. I think only. Where, and I came back that same place. Then again I am loudly, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, where are you? Where are you? But Satyanarayana Guru Swami is not have. Then I am crying. Anybody new persons are, all are new persons, here, that, there is one person going. But our only in our traveler are anybody not have. So what I do? Phone also not ringing, no coverage area. I will tell you 2006 story. Only small, not big phones are, only small phones are there. Then I am crying and I am walking. These people are where are going, there I am going. I am walking. Then after I am calling Satyanarayana Guru Swami, Satyanarayana Guru Swami, anybody not there. And 6 o'clock night, evening 6 o'clock, Karimala Konda have there. 6 kilometers is very danger. Means 6 kilometers this like, and the big hill, very tight, because walkable, but anybody did not walking. That's much hard. So many stones, big stones are there. Road is not good, and then we very struggle. We reach the 6 kilometer. Then after that, government arranges is there some meals there. So I ate some meals in the after reach that Karimalakonda, and that their mic also have. Anybody are missing cases have no, so you can talk. I told to police, police have, sir, two friends, two Guru Swamis I missing. Please, I called. Oh, okay, they are told police. Oh, no problem, call you. I called. Satyanarayana Guru Swami, where are you? I am reached in Karimalakonda. Now time is 6 o'clock. Please, where are you? Meet me. Then I called and then I gave that mic. Then down, very dangerous down. Karimalakonda down, very dangerous road. Then they also came down, and I reached the Pampa Nadi have, river, Pampa Nadi river, you know, all members Pampa Nadi in Kerala. So water was flowing. Then I completed my bath. After phone is coverage area came. I called Satyanarayana Goswami. So Satyanarayana Goswami, I told him, Swamiji, I am in Pampa Nadi. I am bathing. Where are you? Please meet me. So they are also meet. Satyanarayana Goswami full scolding me. Why? Because your 5 kgs irmudi and our 5 kgs irmudi, why I take and come? How much is 10 kgs in my head? How much problem, you know? How many kilometers are there? 70 kilometers. How I take and come? Then what you do you mistake in 60 days? He told me. I told to him, I did not mistake any because I am with you. You know already. Daily we are sleeping in the temple, we are praying in the temple, we are eating in the temple. I did not went any outside. So what your mistake? First told me what your mistakes. Why your Yurumudi came in my head. We are, I told to him, brother, I am already loudly speaking. Brothers, after 2 minutes, that in that pond, after 2 minutes, after you are not seeing me, then I call you, so you are not have there. So what we do? He told me, Swami, we are standing in the 1 hour in the same place. I'll tell to him, brother, I went to the 3 kilometers and then after came in the same place. I saw you, your 2 members, but your 2 members is not here, not there. Hey, what a miracle! He told me, this is you are telling wrong because we are standing because you are a new boy. That's why we are standing 1 hour in same place. Then he told me, no. Then I am told him, no brother, promise what I am saying is the correct. You are not there. That's why I came in this Pampa Nadi. So he is full scolding me. I crying that in Pampa Nadi. Then he is given my remudi. After bath again we are wearing and keep my head. Then after I passed full night journey in that forest area, full night journey. Then after we reach where in the temple of Ayyappa, and we are reaching there in that place. That 18 steps are there, golden steps, Bangaru Metlu in Telugu. Then coconut take one, and then after the wall is there. Then one take coconut are broken there, and we start that 18 steps up. Then after reach the 18 steps, finished your 60 days your mala. So I started before anybody I don't know throwing that me, and I falling down on the coconut. Full coconuts are there because they are one coconut they are put there his one coconut, and then they are throwing. I fall down in the coconut that ground. Again my irumudi is gone. So what we do? Then that irumudi I am wearing only because any Guru Swami are not there. Then full forcing are there, full people full are there. All members coming in the wrong way. This side. So many states people are came there, and police full security, tight security. So I told to the policeman, sir, you are the seeing name, somebody are throwing me, then please give me saline. Full night I am walking the tight main position, so that policeman understand you go. After 18 feet, uh, after 8 steps, I reach the temple upside. Then our Irumudi is gave the one Guru Swami. Then then that my traveling is finished, and the evening we are saw the stars and moon that finish, and I came my home. That main problem is started. What what is that problem? Every day is fever, 104 fever. Everyday treatment. One the silent bottle in my hand and a monosafe injection, 200 mg injection, 250 mg injection. Daily taken a treatment. How many days? 6 months. 104 fever is not going. Body total blocked. Weight also 15 kgs loss. Every day full fever and motions. What I eat, immediately going outside. Then what I do? That I am full fearing. Fever also full. Anybody, so many hospitals I went. One the big hospitals I went. But doctor told full body checkup. But doctor told me top to bottom any disease not have. But how fever is, which fever? All fever, you blood taken and all test are all are negative. But motions did not stop. So what will do? And big hospitals are there in my town, 2 hospitals. The doctor told we cannot help you because your total body report are negative, but fever is not gone. So what I do, sir? I don't know. Even HIV/AIDS also tested, but all are HIV test 4 times tested, but not positive. All are negative. So what will do? One pastor came in my home, and he told me, really, that pastor God sent it. What is your problem? I told my total problem. First I taken baptism, right? Then after I am wearing the black dress Ayyappa Mala 60 days after I reached the Kerala. Then this story total tell. He told me definitely Jesus save you. Take this Bible, you total read. After you definitely you live. You are not die. And some cassettes, testimony cassette also gave me, and some Jayesh Mayer books are gave me, and one is the super testimony cassette also gave, and Palyangicho, Dr. Palyangicho testimony book have gave, an event. So all our books are completed reading. First general books are ready. Then Bible started. 3 month 15 days Bible are completed reading, complete first to last. And Bible also completed, but my fever is not gone. Every day injection and every day Ceylon bottle, every day motions. Then just I am eating this like, and immediately going the latrine. So my wife told one day, just a shortcut I will tell you. Both big stories have, but so many members showing, but doctor not other people have no what they told we are do, but fever is not gone. My face is now red, but those time is totally black because I am 50 kgs now. With 75 kgs I am. So what we do? That fever is not gone. Every day must to Ceylon bottle and injection and tablet. Without injection, one day also I am not living. Definitely die. Just one day stop the doctor. Oh, that day heavy problem came. That's why every day. So that then last I told to my wife one day, we are talking. One boy is have, and we are talking at 2 o'clock night, and I told to my wife, definitely I die. Anybody did not saved me because I know my body total damaged. Fever is not going. Without injection, I cannot living. So definitely I die today. Then I am dying, after I am dying, our boy Johnson, before name is the Venkatesh, and then when we are came in Christian, that name his name changed. That name is Venkatesh. His name. I told to my wife, please care our son after I die. Please care our son, and you live happily, because your father definitely another marriage you. But don't fear. Strong your health, and you take care. And my wife and I am that night full we are crying, and take one dislike, full crying. She told me, God is not have, God is not save, any God is not have, any God is not save you. I told to my wife, any God is not save, because my debt is enough. So my wife also crying after 2 o'clock. She is sleeping. Then my breathing is very hard. This like not free. Tight because not coming clearly. We got total body as weak. So that's main problem. Breathing is not out coming. So my wife I cannot disturb. You can sleep. I am going. Definitely I die today. That night, just this breathing are stopped slowly, slowly stopped. Then my eyes are closed. This like I falling. This like I am sleeping, and that time who's gave my me Bible, that pastor came. He told me, I will write and give you or tell you. I told him, brother, when you writing, please told me, you are the living, you are not dying. Then open my eyes, and my breathing was free. and enthusiasm, my totally my body are strong, enthusiasm, full what immunity came in my health. And I told get up, get up, get up. One pastor came and told me, you are not die, you live long. Oh, that my wife get up and came. He is not a pastor. He is a Jesus came in your life. Jesus told you are not die. Then that time